There are various data types in C that some data types I will explain here: integer, float, double, character. Okay, integer data type will store the 1, 2, 3, 4, that is numbers. Size of integer is 2 or 4 bytes. Okay, size is in bytes. Float data type include decimal number, that is 4.7, 11.8, etc. Okay, size of float is 4 bytes. After that, double will also store a decimal data types, but it store big big decimal values, and the size of double is 8 bytes. Characters store alphabets and combination of alphabet, and size of character is 1 byte.